Special Festival Package. Special Festival Package is a central government scheme introduced to all of its employees. This is a grant of advance. This is in addition to leave travel concession scheme. We already discussed about that in my previous video. Who all are eligible to Special Festival Package? All government servants are eligible, whether they are in leave or not. The leave may be maternity leave or study leave or any other type of leave, but excluding leave preparatory to retirement. So all central government employees are eligible for under this scheme. So what will you get? If you are a central government employee, you will get an interest-free advance of 10,000 rupees. This 10,000 rupees you have to repay to the government again within 10 months. Okay, and these festival advances will be in force until 31st March 2021. You have to apply before 31st March 2021. How the amount created? As along with the salaries, a bonus or any other allowances will be credited to salaries. But this is not like that. This is a special thing. So the government is not directly adding to your account, salary account. It will be loaded to a RuPay card from SBI. This card we can use it for purchases. What the DDO will do, disbursement officer, he mentions the list of festivals and he will communicate about this advance scheme to all of its employees. The organization can fix some festivals, namely Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, whatever it may be. It depends on the organization. The organization can change the festivals. The central government didn't mention any number of festivals for this, which is separately applicable. So okay, he will mention and he will communicate the same to employees. So once the employee interested to take it advance, he has to apply. Then he will get a card from SBI and provides to the applicant. There is no direct connection between SBI and the applicant. The DDO will provide the card to you if you are an applicant. And the DDO's another important role is he has to settle the advance within 10 months. Settling in the sense he has to deduct the amount from your salary within 10 months. He can deduct even less than 10 months if you give a permission to him, but he cannot deduct more than 10 months, which means the 10,000 is only for 10 months. How to apply? If you are a central government employee, as mentioned earlier, you have to write a letter to DDO or equivalent officer, depends on your organization. Mention the festival for which you want to take this advance. According to the email which you get a communication from the DDO, you have to mention the name of the festival. DDO will get card from SBI and gives to the applicant. As mentioned earlier, the DDO will take care of the card. He will collect from SBI and he will provide to the applicant. Here some important points to be noted are, this is just an advance. This is not at all an income. So the amount of 10,000 is a loan. This is not a bonus or something you are getting as allowances. Okay. This amount to be settled within 10 months. The amount cannot be extended more than 10 months for settling. Okay, within 10 months it has to be settled by way of deducting from salary, or you can repay. Bills need not to be submitted. In this order, they didn't mention anywhere like you have to submit bills for this 10,000. Why? Because this government is not giving this money as LTC cash voucher scheme. Here the government is just giving as a loan. So bills need not to be submitted. You are just repaying the amount. So no need of bills. And no question of GST. As there is no need of bill, there is no need of GST. But the government will track the purchases. Anyway, it is providing a debit card. So the purchases can be tracked through debit card. Have to opt before 31st March 2021. Once the date is crossed 31st March 2021, you cannot apply for this scheme. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Please feel free to ask any questions or suggestions are acceptable. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.